Hi guys, today I'm happy to share my experience about the PassFab iPhone unlocker software that would help you to unlock a locked or disabled iPhone. So let's start. We don't know the passcode yet. So first of all, we need to go to the official website passfab.com, then download the software and install to your computer. They have the Windows version and also Mac version. This software also helps to unlock the Apple ID if you don't remember the passcode, so you can use both options. And also I'm sharing a 30% discount code for this software. You can find it in the description to this video. So let's start unlocking your phone. Let's plug it to your computer first. Just make sure you don't need the data on your iOS device because it would erase all the data. So connect your device to computer via cable, then press the volume up button and then quickly press the volume down button. Press and hold the power button. Then you need to wait until the Apple logo appears on the screen. So here we go. And now your phone goes into a recovery mode. We need to download the firmware. I already have it, so it takes about 1 or 2 minutes. And then hit start remove. So it takes 3 minutes first to start. So the whole process takes about 15 minutes, but you don't need to worry about anything because it does everything for you. The whole process is as easy as 1, 2, 3, but make sure you don't use your device and don't do anything with it. So the thing is happening is that the screen passcode was removed and the phone is turning on as a new device. So let's see. Yay, it's a new device. So you would need to go through all the steps that you usually do when you setting up the new device. And your phone gets activated right now, and it would give you the option to choose your own passcode to create it. So we would go with all zeros first. Yeah, once again and once again. So we chose our own passcode, and also if you don't remember your Apple ID, the software has also the tool that helps you to unlock Apple ID, and you can use both. So let's go ahead and accept the agreement and go through all the other steps to set up your phone. And voila, your phone is unlocked. Thank you for watching.